Hi, welcome back. In our last video, we completed the brand section. In this video, I'm going to teach about the product section. So first, we are going to migrate the product table. So you type, write the command. You write PHP artisan migration. You have type products. Right, products. Type products. Right. Press enter key on your keyboard. Your products migration has been completed successfully. Product migration has been completed successfully. After that, what you're going to do is go to open up that file. Here I'm going to modify the tables. So I'm going to modify it like this. We need to include these are the fields. We have to include product name and everything. So we have to write this one should be specified. The same thing, just string data type, which is string data type, which is a product name. After that, you have to write the prime. You have to just get this one. All the things I just get it. We have to modify it. Right, right. So you have tried this one. We have a two foreign keys. So first, how to here product table. We have a brand category ID and brand ID. You will be able to select the product. So if you are an example, if you imagine you have a TV, which is a category. Okay, you have to select the category TV. We have TV 001. This is a TV name, product name, category which is a TV. You will be able to select the TV. Brand, there are various brand available, which is LG, Sony, Nokia. There are so many brands available. We have to select the corresponding brand from the drop down. So we have to right click this LG. So you have to write category ID TV, brand LG. Price you have to give as a 50,000. After that, we have a foreign keys relationship. So here you can see here, if you have implement the foreign keys, you have to do first stuff. You have to write here unsigned big integer. You have to write like this unsigned because these two are foreign keys. These foreign keys, these are the foreign keys available in the products table. The same key available in which table? The category table. This category table ID, the same ID which will be available in the product table, which called as foreign key. Right? The same thing here, brand table, there is a ID which is a primary key. The same primary key which is available in the another table which called as a foreign key, which is a brand ID. Right? So here, that's how we have make the relationship. Right? This make the relationship. We have to reference. You have to make the reference here. Okay, here you have to implement the foreign keys. Category ID. This is a category ID. Reference ID. Right? Category ID. This is a category ID. You have the foreign key you are gave. Reference, which reference you are given? ID mean this category ID. You are given here on which table this ID is available? Categories table. Which table? This categories table. After that, on delete cascade. You have to write like this. This is how you have implement the foreign keys. First, you have to write unsigned big integer. You have to write these two things. After that, how to implement that? You have to write like this foreign key. After that, brand ID, the same thing. Reference to where? Which brand? This brand ID. This primary key which is available in this key, foreign key. Brands. Here you have to write, which is a delete. Okay, right. So here, in order to do the things, we have a relationship. What is the relationship? We have tried it here. One category as many products. One category as many products. Okay, one category. Category is one. Okay, category is one mean. If you take the look at the example TV, TV is one category. TV has many products. Okay, so the brand. Okay, other hand is a brand. Brand is a LG. LG brand consists of many products, right? So you have to understand that. So one to many relationship. In order to make the relationship, we have to implement the one to many relationship. Okay, first you have to understand things well, right? What are the relationship between category and products? This is must. Okay, if you are know well, you are the best programmer. Okay, right? This relationship is a must. Okay, right. Now let's go. Let's do the things right. Now we have done the stuff. So let's migrate it. So what you're going to do is now you can run the migration command. So type a PHP artisan migrate. PHP artisan migrate. Press enter key on your keyboard. Your migration file is done. Right here, your migration file has been created successfully. Here done, which means your file has been created successfully. Right. After done the stuff, what you're going to do is we have to create the controller. Okay. So how to create the controller? Right here, there is a command PHP make controller. Here type the control which is a product controller, which is a resource controller. Okay, so we have to implement all the thread related methods. So press enter key on your keyboard. Your controller has been created. Product controller has been created. Okay, here it implement all the CRUD operation methods successfully. Right. After that, you have to create a model which will be communicate with the database. So here you have to you don't type again by again. You have to open up this command by pressing the up and down key arrow on your keyboard. You will be able to get the previous command, what you are uh, how the brands and categories, how do you create your models and control here. So here we have the model here. Model I have created PHP artisan model. Which model? Product model, which is a product. This is not as okay. So here that is a only singular. Right. Model has been created successfully. Now what you're going to do is we have to do the thing is we have to edit the first model. We have a model, some model. You have to get these all things. First you have to get the here model is created inside the model folder. Product right here. Here you have right here products table, which for table which is a products table. Key which is the primary ID. These are the columns: product name, cat ID, brand ID, price. These are the column I have added. So here look at the columns. Product name, the ID is the auto increment key, so that I have set it as a primary key. The rest of the columns, these columns are added. These columns are added to where the model. This through it will be communicated with the database. Right? Okay. Right. Now let's go to here. First we have to give the path of the model. Right. So model, we have to give the path. Right. You have to give the path. Your model is decided on use app models for product folder. This is your model is decided on go here. Right. After that, we have to create the constructor. Don't worry, I just copy and paste it because it take too much of time to complete the project. So that I have done it. So you have to create the first variable products. After that, we have to create the constructor. Here we have to connect with this model using this object. This already we have done this all the things in my previous videos. That's why I just copy and paste this all the things I clearly explain. Okay, so first you have to create the this model. We have to access this model to communicate with the database. So this we have to create the object of products. So this products we have to create the object. First you have to create the variable. This variable you have to set it here. Right. After that, what you're going to do is here. First, we have to view the data and create the data, all things. So here we have to connect with the foreign keys relationship, primary key and foreign key relationship. You can see here cat ID and brand ID. So how to make the relationship? One to many relationship. One category has many products. So how to implement that? Here you carefully you have to consider these things. This very must. Okay, when you are doing the big project, these are the relationships you must write. So here, first, what you're going to say, category table. That's a category table. Okay, so here category first you have look at the so one to many relationship, one category. So here we are, you have to go to category.php, which is a model. You have to implement the relationship. You have to go inside the model folder. You have to implement the category is a product. So category, one category has many products. So first you have to go first one go. I have make the function which is a products, open bracket and close bracket. Okay, so here category side you have to write this here written as many mean uh, here one category has many products. So you have to create the method product, create the function name which is a product, which is a which relationship one this one category as many products. So you have to write as many, we have product model class, you have to assign the foreign key here. So here category ID in for a product table we have to add it as a category ID. This category table ID, the product function we have to create a product function inside the category model. You have to add is a category ID. This category ID communicate with the product table. What is the relationship we have to write it here? As many. Very simple. If you have to do the one to many relationship, first you have to go to the category section. So category. So one mean is a category, it's a ID. So here first this ID is available in where which table? Products table. So you have to create the method products method. Inside here you have as many relationships. So product table category ID. Other side, it's a category products table. How to make the relationship? So here very simple. It's a category. Here we have right. Here we have category model, we have write products. In other hand, product table, we have write the category method function. Here we have write belongs to mean one. One category belongs to many products. So here belongs to category ID. You have write category ID. Category here, you refer here belongs to category table. Category table here, category model, cat ID when you have referred to this. That's how you have to implement the relationship. You have a products table. With products table, you have to try to belongs to category table. You have try to add to, right? This is a product relation. The make sure these two things are foreign key. You have write it here. Cat ID here also you write cat ID, right? Okay. Category table you don't write here ID because we have to specify the foreign key only here. This category ID is a relationship. Okay. The same thing you have to done it as a brand as well. Okay, so brand also the same thing. You have to create the method brand returns. Sorry, not here. Sorry, products table. You have to write products first. You have to create the brand table, right? Brand. First brand table. You have to go over here. First, you have to create the first one to relation. So here also product table. Yes, many relationship in brand also. Products brand ID, which is a foreign key. It's a brand table ID. Okay, brand table ID, the product table which is a foreign key, which is a brand ID. Product table, how to visible this ID is a product table brand ID. So you have to write the product function, you have to get the product function written as many. It is a one brand as a many products. So you have to write as many relations. One brand as many products. Right? The other side, the same thing products table, how to make the relationship, you have to write it over here. How to make the relationship, you have to write like this function that call it over here belongs to. So here right belongs to because brand one brand consists of many products. So the product table we have write belongs to, right? The product brand table as many, one brand has many products. So here belongs to mean one, it specify one. So here, which table? Brand table. Here you have to assign your foreign key. Which foreign key? Brand ID. This ID refers as a foreign key relationship. This ID refers as a foreign key relation. That's the thing we have tried. I have saved all. This is very much we have to practice with these two things. They are there. How to implement the relationship. This is a very simple things. Okay. So first I go as a short brief. Okay. So here category. First you have to write the category table. You have to create the product function. Say as many relationship. You have to call the foreign key of products table. It's a category ID. So other hand, product table you go here you have to create the category function. You have to call the belongs to keyword. Here also category table. It's a category model. Here call this one. This category, this ID, which is a foreign key, it will be help me to make the relationship of two tables. Understand the concept well. I hope you guys you understood things well. I'll see in my next lecturing. Thank you. You have to practice with these two things. This is very must. Okay, implement the huge system. This is very must. You have to practice with two things, right? So after that, you have to one thing we have to forget it. We have to go to our controller section. We have to make the things in my next video tutorial. Okay, so we have to make it our next video tutorial. Okay, so thank you for watching.